Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have a wild story that's almost too bizarre to believe. We're talking about Ashley Grayson, a woman who called herself an influencer, who rose to infamy for peddling her coarse digital recipe. Well, Mrs. Grayson was just sentenced to 10 years for racketeering and allegedly plotting a murder, from influencer glamour to criminal charges. This story has it all: drama, crime, and a side hustle selling B12 shots. Yeah, we'll get into it. So grab some popcorn, hit the subscribe button, and let's dive into the crazy world of Ashley Grayson. So who is Ashley Grayson? And why did this case shake up everyone, from her followers to the true crime community? Ashley was a rising influencer known for her #BossBabe lifestyle, inspirational posts, and a huge online following. She preached about achieving dreams and living your best life. Little did her fans know that life included allegations of racketeering and murder plots. Yeah, turns out the hustle was in fact real. Guess she took that by any means necessary thing a little bit too literally, huh? This story hit like a bombshell when Ashley Grayson was charged with racketeering and, get this, a murder plot. Yes, folks, she allegedly planned a hit on someone. Talk about taking the influencer killer instinct to a whole new level. Prosecutors claim that Ashley was involved in a complex scheme involving fraud, intimidation, and a sinister plan to keep her business empire thriving. Because clearly the best way to handle competition is, racketeering and a little murder. Just classic influencer tips, right? And then came the trial. Honestly, it was like something straight out of a crime thriller. Testimonies reveal that Ashley was allegedly running a crime ring using threats and, plans of murder to keep people in line. But here's the twist. Her husband, who was also implicated, was found not guilty. Yep, he's out here living his best life, while Ashley is looking at a decade behind bars. Talk about a family business with a twist. I mean, at least one of them is free to take care of the kids and work on his new side hustle. So after days of jaw-dropping testimony and evidence, the judge handed down a sentence that left everyone speechless. 10 years in prison. That's 120 months, plus 3 years of supervised probation, as well as no contact with the people she attempted to get taken out. And when I say people, I mean 4. You heard me right, 4. Mrs. Grayson went from #BossBabe to prison babe, just like that. Guess she'll have a lot of time to work on her personal development behind bars. That's 10 years to think about her business strategy, and this time, the only networking event is the prison yard. Now here's where it gets even weirder. Before her sentencing, Ashley had 2 babies, because apparently nothing says new mom vibes like a racketeering charge. Meanwhile, her husband, the one who was found not guilty, is out here living his entrepreneurial dreams, selling B12 shots. I mean, B12? Really? Look, we all need a side hustle, but considering the circumstances, maybe a less criminal-sounding business would have been a better choice. But I digress. And of course, the internet went wild, from shocked fans who couldn't believe their idol was capable of this. Everyone had an opinion. There were memes, tweets, TikToks, you name it. Some followers are still standing by her, while others are calling her out for living a filtered life. Honestly, it's become a soap opera of epic proportions. Well, at least she left her mark on the influencer world, and who knows, maybe she'll be back with a prison memoir called Life After Likes. You never know with these influencers. So, what's your take on all of this? Was justice served, or was this just a social media empire gone totally off the rails? Let me know in the comments. And if you're into true crime with a side of influencer irony, don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you haven't already, please like the video and turn on your notification bell and watch when you're notified, because I bring you all the juiciest stories. No B12 shots required. Take care.
Josh back. Josh back.
He's still gone.
Oh, girl, no, we done already been through there. Through Derek house.
That fast?
It's gonna be real easy to get her. It's gonna be real easy. So that's what I was trying to see, like, with the money. Like, did you want us to come out there, like, tomorrow? Or, like I'm trying to see, because, like...
Well, when y'all gonna do the thing with Derek? Because Josh gonna try to come after y'all do it.
Oh, okay. So Josh didn't want to do the half and half.
Yeah, he want to do it after it's done. But if y'all can get that done, like, the sooner y'all can get that done, like, the next week and a half, I'll throw an extra $5 on there.
Cool. And, like, you don't want her hurt, and they just want her gone. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, out of here. Okay. Then we'll put my address off for over 100,000 people to see.
Mm-hmm. And you know what I was talking to Bernie? You know I was talking to Bernie about the Sherelle stuff. I was like, we need to just leave her completely alone, because there's too many eyes on her. There's too many eyes on her.
Josh said that earlier. Josh said she got too many eyes on her now.
And then the TikTok thing, because I was like, damn, it's just her right now. But if something happened to her, this gonna be in front of everybody.
Mm-hmm. And then they're gonna be like, all of a sudden she was making all of these and blah blah blah. Josh said that this morning. He said there's too many eyes on that girl right now. I said, well, it's not gonna die down.